This Sunday meal prep is a doozy. So I'm trying to just do the Botox in a bottle thing because we have Bo's Christmas dinner tonight. So I am speeding through this meal prep for Ashton. I have sweet potatoes, purple onion, chicken sausage, red peppers, and all this is going to go together. I'm just getting everything chopped up, ready to go. I got this new huge sheet pan. Oh, Ashton made an appearance. There she is. Hey, y'all. She's so excited. And then she was leaving, that turd. No help. No help. But we got to visit for just a second before she was off to her dad. She came to get a package. She had ordered her something. The life. Must be the life. So I'm getting her, I have bell peppers that I'm going to be stuffing full of egg white, breakfast sausage, cottage cheese, what else? Oh, and some hash browns. So she does have some carbs in there, and that is going to go into those bell peppers. Now I'm starting on what's going to go into those bell peppers. The breakfast sausage, like I said, egg whites, cottage cheese. I'm going to add that. You'll see that in a moment. I added in some hash browns with peppers. She has a lot of rainbow going on this week. Like, I really tried to load her down with veggies and stuff. And it was at this point where I realized I need bigger freaking bowls. Like, I'm sitting here stabbing it trying to get. I did have enough, though, to make for her for lunch with the jasmine. So that's going to go over the jasmine rice. And then I had enough to make me a couple days, too. And I was really excited about that. Yeah, I'm happy dancing over it. So I'm coming back to this, and I was like, oh yeah, the cottage cheese. There it is. I'm adding it in. Now I'm about to start Bo's breakfast too because he just wanted the eggs that he had last week. So I'm going to do his separate. And I snuck cottage cheese in there. He doesn't know that. I didn't tell him. Oh, the rice. This is a whole fun thing. I'm trying to get a bite in from leftovers from last night while I'm prepping this. Because like I said, I am on speed mode so that I can get ready for this Christmas dinner and not look like a hot mess express. So here I'm adding in her jasmine rice, and I'm just filling her, I'm plating all of this. Of course I did snarky little fun spicy messages on the tops of them. I'm going to taste test it. It was actually really good. Added some salt in there. It says, look at that rainbow, y'all, and the protein and the carbs. Oh my gosh, she was really excited about this, and I am too. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stuff these bell peppers. I roasted them for a little bit, and I'm just filling them with that breakfast concoction that I have. I'm going to top them with a little bit of cheese, and that really and truly is just to keep them together, because I was really nervous about all that, everything falling out of them. I really hope she likes this. If this is somebody's recipe, I think I came up with it, but if somebody has something similar, I'd be happy to give them the credit for it. But I literally was like, I need protein in this, I need carbs in this, this is what I'm doing. So there's her breakfast lined up, and then this is all of it in the fridge. Yay, pictures to come of the Christmas party. Clocking out.